Hi guys, can you see the color of this yam? I don't like it. It don't used to be sweet, and sometimes some of them used to be bitter. It's yellow. I don't like it at all. Today that I want to satisfy my craving, this is what I got. But anyway, I'll just cook it like that. And hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, today I'm in the kitchen again. I want to make white yam with tomato egg sauce. Yeah, I've got the tomatoes. And I'll just break the eggs, cut the onions. Then the yam is already on fire. After cooking the yam, I'll now make the tomato egg sauce. Yeah, I just want to satisfy my craving today because we are expecting a baby. It's a lie, yo. You're not expecting anything. You're not expecting anything. I beg. Na fact, I'm not keep person. But some people say, how would you even be asking somebody if you're pregnant? Is it even right? Is it right? Or Jesus me all? Because I don't find this funny. People just see, this one your stomach is getting big. You better say you don't enter. You better say you're pregnant. You better say this and that. I hate that thing. I hate it. People should not tell me that again. But anyway, you're not expecting anything. I just want to eat yam and egg sauce. That's what I'm making. Welcome back to my channel. In case it's your first time, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment. I need your comment. People are not commenting on my video. I don't know why. Leave a comment, please. Yeah, welcome back. So let's continue cooking. So these are the ingredients that I'll be using to make the tomato egg sauce. There's nothing much here. I don't want those shenanigans. I'm not ready for that. It's just a simple tomato egg sauce. This is the tomato right here, the egg, the cooking oil, onions. This is garlic. I'll just add small little garlic, ginger powder. This is my pepper, chicken cube and salt. Then I'll add small paprika. These are all that I'll be using. Nothing much. Just a simple delicacy. If you know me, you know that I love yam. Like, no matter how it is being cooked, I'll eat it. Yes, yam is my best food. My best food ever. Nothing comes close. The yam is done. Guys, the yam is done. I'll be making the tomato sauce right now.
So when I call him I am that I am, Obato Buruso, Ojiji Demma, Ango Batoya Madaswaraso, Okaponia Namba, Obonemanu Bachatuadia. He did not take any title. Now what did they do for me? Malabadande. Orio Guaromo, Hoboya. Nobody give a title anywhere. When we call him Waba and Waba, Ojaga the one and Bawa Chebi, Odikeke make convoy, Oko Sisi de Puna Kolota, Homini banana, Homini potato, Homini sugar cane. Hey! Malabade. Your name. Now, if I ask you now, for guiding you from January till now, which name will you call him? The way he deliver you. You pass through the road, you pass through sickness. Some went through labor room, some go through sickness, and yet they came ayara. Chukudinigwe Ugunyiro Sole Alagana Tabume Chikadibia Yese Namnare Asim Nano worship you. We give you thanks and praise. Do you know how many that chase you this year? And yet they never tire. But God is frustrating them and retiring them in a hurry. Thunder, fire, devil. Some of them will see you now, body they prepare them. They look you somehow because they gave you what they gave to others. They die, but you did not die. For my soul is like a bird out of the snare of the fowler. The snare is broken, and we have escaped. Anakuziri chukwalo, hasim igakuziri chukwalo we. Iyane mebi yedima, adiya kuziri yolo. Iyokuru golile, emanadiya kuziri yolo. Are you hearing what I'm saying? I tell you, there are some people you greet them with.
Let's test what we cooked, what I cooked. Thumbnail. Ash. Hey, it's hot. My best food. Nothing come close. What's up to this point? Please subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, share if you can, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.
30 minutes later.
Mommy, I want to wash my hands. Guys, don't do it.
Food is ready. We want to eat right now.
Yes!
You are surprised. You are so shocked that I'm still alive. I told you that you are not God. Now man you be, you not be God. You feel say by now God don't die. You feel say by now frustration God don't kill me. But now God they bless me pass. Look at my life. I'm that same person you rejected. For no reason you drove me away. Just because you could not render help to me doesn't mean my life is over. You think my destiny is tied to yours? No. My destiny must be fulfilled because the God I serve is a living God.
Hosanna diri, Hezeke bube, Onye nani ana chiese, Rue biyebi, Dimosi nile, Haramo.
Alright guys, I'll be ending it here. Let me concentrate and eat. The food enter brain. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye for now. See you on my next video.